Alright, good morning, and it is a very beautiful morning. So today, we're just going to have a little bit of fun. I'm going to be using this kit. These are their rigid belts for the Canonian blade grinding attachment. And what we're going to do is we're actually going to modify these small can openers into versions of combo tools. We're going to try a couple different varieties. I have a lot of them to work with. I think I have like 12 or 13 can openers, but we're going to be playing with them and seeing how many different varieties actually function, how many want work, how far can I take them. And what I do know is that I don't have to change the thickness for them to work in the blade layer. I have a different method for that. So today we're gonna try a couple different things, and yeah, we're gonna have a little fun. Alright, so version 1, it's very simple. We literally just changed the angle to be wide enough to now work as a cap lifter. Simple, easy. Now, you'll notice that with this variation, we're actually going to keep the two-dimensional Phillips and small flat driver. So we're gonna keep this one. We're not gonna do anything else. We're gonna move on to another one of these, and what we're gonna do with that one is do the same thing, and we're gonna add a large flat to the end. And I'm going to do a flush large flat. In other words, I'm not going to change this curvature. I'm just going to bring it down to the point where this is actually a larger flathead. That's it. So we're going to do those two things, and we're going to then compare all of those. All right, now we have 3 different varieties. This is the original. We just opened up the angle slightly. We're going to test that. I like the angle on this one a little bit better. I may actually adjust this to match. And then, of course, we have flattened it out to give it a flathead. Now notice I haven't changed the way this can opener works, so it still works the same way the original does, where you push forward and move forward with the can opener. So we're going to have to test that on a can and make sure that it still works. Now the next one, what we're going to do is we're going to make a cutout, just like it's going to look very similar to the Wenger combo tool. So that's our goal. The next one is going to be a Wenger combo tool, basically. So let's try that out. Alright, so these is 4 different variations in this image. One with a little bit of modification, one with a larger flathead. Then we have what is a true version of the combo tool by Wenger, which is the 4th one down. And then the last one is a test. You can see how I've eaten into the thicker part of the steel to increase the angle, and I think it's not really going to be any better, but we're going to find out. Hope you enjoyed.